Definitely due to the pollution or the smog emitted by the factories or even by the traffic here. So I think they are also contributing a lot to this.
Today's topic is pollution in Delhi. So what's your take on the current situation of Delhi?
It's affecting people's health.
It's hazardous.
People are not able to breathe. मतलब बहुत अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, इसके लिए कुछ एक्शंस लेने चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को.
I missed 2 days of college because of that, and today I came.
Right now it's completely miserable.
It's very irritating. Like we are suffering from headaches and our eyes are like we are feeling like it's burning. It's taking my breath away.
I think ये मोदी जी ने कराया था कि केजरीवाल खास के पागल हो जाए.
I just feel that it is our own actions which are, this portraying their effect.
I think citizens should also be contributing to it. Smoking is definitely a part of it.
Definitely due to the pollution or the smog emitted by the factories
I guess दिवाली सेलिब्रेट ना करने के बावजूद ये सब देखना पड़ रहा है, ये तो इनटॉलरेबल है.
or even by the traffic here.
Still hurting. Like I am an outstation student here. So it's the first time I'm experiencing this.
So I think they are also contributing a lot to this, apart from the pollution from Punjab and Haryana.
और ये जो मेट्रो के प्राइसेस हाइक हुए हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी वो कम होने चाहिए.
कंपैरेटिवली बाकी अगर हम मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ के कंपैरेटिवली देखें तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, जो कि हम लोग को दिख रहा है.
It's all karma basically.
Yeah, it's like karma.
Karma is a bitch and people should remember that.
Government should really do something here. We're looking up to them here. And obviously the pollution they need to control somehow.
बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, बीमार हो रहे हैं सब लोग. हम दोनों भी कल बीमार हो गए थे घर जाके.
तो लोग मेट्रो ज़्यादा प्रेफर करेंगे.
I think it's whatever measures we take has always been reactive. We haven't taken any proactive measures.
We should not be done. So we are not relying on the public transport because we personally have left our vehicles at home and we are using metro. So I guess we all need to do that part as well.
You've banned the crackers, but then, this is the wedding season and all. And the people are burning rockets.
हालांकि ये हरियाणा और पंजाब वाला तो रीज़न है ही है.
In the end, we have to agree that we all are responsible directly or indirectly. So what are the steps needs to be taken on the ground level and what are the causes, the main causes of this?
इट इज़ लाइक कि हम लोग पॉल्यूशन करते जा रहे हैं, हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा व्हीकल्स यूज़ करते हैं, जबकि पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट को अच्छा होना चाहिए, बेहतर होना चाहिए.
दिल्ली में ना थोड़ा शो ऑफ का सिस्टम है कि लोगों के पास ना गाड़ियाँ बहुत घुमाने का शौक है.
I read it somewhere that we can throw water on ground so that moisture will be there in air.
We should take more and more public transports.
तो इसकी वजह से दिल्ली में गाड़ियों का जो कल्चर है, मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत बड़ा रीज़न हो सकता है इसके पीछे.
And intake of fruits and because it will help us being hydrated.
We as people are also not doing our bit because I'm seeing a lot of us are still using our own car.
एंड गवर्नमेंट ट्राई कर रही है कि कुछ स्टेप्स ले ले से, जैसे पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का उन्होंने कॉस्ट कम कर दिया सो दैट लोग ज़्यादा यूज़ कर.
And air will be more cleaner due to that and we can have dry fruits.
So like this odd even scheme which was announced today about from 13 to 17 November, this should have been planned before.
मैंने कुछ इंडोर प्लांट्स लगाए हैं क्योंकि इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है.
So like this odd even scheme which was announced today about from 13 to 17 November, this should have been planned before.
Pollution कम करने के लिए public transport ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए.
To purify air at least at my home.
I believe carpooling. And secondly, like she said, moisture.
Say no to pollution.
Say no to pollution.
Please say no to pollution. We really need that.